So when we talk about business, business is what we do to give us money. Like growing your business, nurturing your business, and also coming to a certain level that you can no longer go to some people and say, lend me money, I want to do business, or I want to buy something, I want to get food, lend me money. If you're a good businessman or businesswoman, you will easily buy anything to yourself. You even easily buy something for yourself. Why? Because you have understood what business is all about. I will nurture you and show you the way, the rightful way to do business. Number one is knowing your capacity, your capability. What is that you can do in business? From the customer service down to your quality as a business owner. What is that you can do to make customer like you more, to make customer come to your DM and say, I want to patronize you? Is that thing like your quality, the way you attend to them? It matters a lot, the way we relate to our customers, our clients. Why? Because some people are looking up to you. They want to know what you can offer. They want to know if you can give them what they are looking for. Business is everywhere, but the way you handle your business will determine if customers are going to be coming or not. Some people, they don't know how to relate to their customer. They don't know how to communicate with their customers. Some people use their mouth and chase away their customers. Why? Because they don't know how. They don't know how to handle customers. They don't know how to handle clients. Relating to customer is one of the key points in keeping your business, in sustaining your business, and in making sure that your business is growing from part A to part B to part C, and so on. Business is not supposed to be stagnant. No. Business is supposed to be moving every minute, every time. You are not supposed to be in the same spot, the same way you started the business. In next 2 years, in next 2 years is too big. In next 6 months, you're not supposed to be there. You must have grown more than that. You started with 2,000. You must have grown more than 2,000 in 6 months' time. Why? Because you are consistent with what you are doing. You are consistent in growing your business, in making sure that your business is growing, in making sure that your customer service, they are attending to your customer, in making sure that your customer service are attending to your customer in the rightful way. Communication is the key when it comes to business. Business is not just to start it. Business is an investment. When you focus on your business, when you invest time, your energy, your time, you will reap the benefits. Yes, don't just open a business today and start eating from it. Allow that business to grow to a certain level before you can start eating from that business. If it is possible, have another source of income. Do not touch any dime from that business. Any profit that you are getting in the next 1 year, put it back to the business. Differentiate the capital from the profit. Keep the separate accounts. Know when you are running loss and know when you are gaining. Keep your petty cash book closer to you. Keep your records straight. Analyze the way you want your business to be. Before starting your business, always write your business plan. Always make sure that your business plan is a good, detailed business plan. Business plan that will showcase your mission, your vision, your purpose, your site, the location. Make sure you state every details in that business plan. The amount you are going to be investing, make sure you state it down into that business plan. And also state down if you are going to be employing people immediately you must have opened the business. So business plan helps us to grow, to know if truly we are ready for that business. A lot of people are opening business today, but they are not ready. They are not ready to sustain the business. They are not ready to grow from point A to point B. They are not ready to put in the hard work. Business is hard work. I told you before, it's an investment. Investment without a hard work cannot work. So make sure from today, after coming across this video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share so that others will be getting the good news. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're welcome to my channel, Esther Chi Business World. Thank you. So, if you want us to talk about a certain topic relating to business, relating to YouTube growth, relating to how to grow your life entirely, just comment on the comment section. Tell us the kind of topic you're interested in, and we will tackle it. We'll talk about it. We are here to learn, we are here to grow together, and we are here to help each other. Yes, yes, you can get engagement in my comment section also. Thank you.